Hello students. So today again we have got political science lecture and we have started lesson number 2, India's foreign policy, and we see what is foreign policy and what is national interest. So today in your textbook, come to page number 66, and we will be discussing about factors influencing foreign policy. So before we start with this foreign policy, we will revise what we did yesterday. You all know all countries are members of international system. Now we also seen foreign policy is framed to foster national interests of defense and economic development. So this we have seen yesterday also in yesterday's lecture. Foreign policy is framed to foster national interests of defense and economic development. Then we also discussed, we say that foreign policy is always dynamic. Foreign policy always keeps on changing because the goals of nation changes with changes in condition and time. So we say over here the foreign policy is dynamic. And why we say it is dynamic? Because the goals and function changes with changes in condition and time. Today, on your page number 66, we are going to discuss factors influencing foreign policies. Now, what are the factors which influences foreign policy? Foreign policy decides what kind of relations to have with which country in the international system. So foreign policy decides what kind of relations we should have with other countries. But several factors affect foreign policy while it is been decided. But there are several factors which affects the foreign policies. Now, first factor, geographical location. You must have seen the globe. You know what you mean by globe. Okay, the round, it's like a shape of a ball, that globe or map of the world. Might be also seen a world map. You can see the geographical location of any nations from that. So with the help of a globe or with the help of a world map, you can see geographical location of any nation. Some countries are far away from other countries, while there are several neighboring countries around some countries. So some countries are very far from each other, but some countries are very close to each other, and they are called as neighboring countries around some countries. Some nations have a long coastline while some have plenty of mineral wells. So some nations have a coastline, some nations have plenty of mineral well. In some, the size, population, topography means the climatic conditions, coastline, availability of natural resources, all these factors need to be considered while deciding the foreign policy of any country. So before deciding the foreign policy of any country, which factors are important? The size, population, topography, coastline, availability of natural resource, all these factors are important. Now, second factor, political system. In democratic political system, the nation's parliament plays a major role in involving foreign policy. So, who plays a major role? The parliament plays a major role. When different aspects come up for discussions in parliament, the opposition parties try to regulate the foreign policy. Now, in parliament, we have got ruling party and we have got opposition party. So always there are discussions in the parliament regarding the political system. Now, point number three, economy. In modern times, The economic condition of any country has acquired great importance in deciding foreign policy. So, what has acquired a great importance? Our economy has has a importance. As a result, the economic impacts of foreign policy in two ways. Foreign policy is shaped by the need to establish economic relations. So today we have got economic relations with other country. We have got the way we demand, the supply, the export, the import, all these relations we are having with the other countries. Import, export, participating in the world trade, all aim at strengthening the economy of the country. So today all countries are trying their level best to strengthen their economy of the country. In today's world, the issue of economic security are as important as national security. So today, every country wants economic security, which is important to a national security. A country is recognized to be powerful in proportion to economic security is enjoyed. So today it is recognized that every country should have an economic security. Countries having a strong economy are less dependent on others. So those countries which are strong in economy, they are less dependent on other countries and they can have an independent foreign policy as well. So those countries which are totally independent country, okay, they are less dependent on this foreign policy. Now, fourth factor, national leadership. The president, the prime minister, the foreign minister, the defense minister, the finance minister, and the home minister have a role in deciding the foreign policy. So, who has a role in deciding the foreign policy? The president, the prime minister, the foreign minister, the defense minister, the finance minister, and the home minister have a role in deciding foreign policy. The person holding these positions try to maintain the continuity in foreign policy and to improve upon it. So all those are this person who are holding the positions, they try to improve the conditions. For the example, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru contributed the policy of non-alignment to India's foreign policy. Prime Minister Atal Bihari Vajpayee contributed a great deal to improve Sino-Indian relations. So we always try to improve our relations with other countries. Now, point number five, administrative factors. Ministers of External Affairs, Foreign Secretary, embassies in different countries, diplomatic officers, etc. are the administrative factors involved in creating foreign policy. So all these ministers who are given different roles to play, they are the administrative factors involved in creating foreign policy. Even though the final decision of about foreign policy are taken by Prime Minister and Minister of External Affairs. So who takes the final decision? The Prime Minister and the Minister of External Affairs. The administrative machineries help to arrive that decision. The administrative officers collect information needed to shape the foreign policy, analyze it, and gives appropriate advice based on it. The National Security Advisor also complete the task. So all these people who are involved in making the foreign policies. So students, now in the second part, what we have studied all the factors influencing foreign policy. So in short, we will just summarize how these factors play important role. Now, which is the first factor? First factor is your geographical location. Now, geographical location of a country plays an important role in deciding the foreign policy of a country. Now, second one was what? Political system. In a democratic political system, the nation's parliament plays an important role in involving the foreign policy, which was the third factor. Economic, the economy of the nation, the economic condition of a country has acquired great importance in deciding foreign policy at present. The fourth factor, that is national leadership. The president, the prime minister, the foreign minister, the defense minister, the finance minister, and the home minister have a role in deciding foreign policy. And point number five, which was the point number five? Here, point number five was administrative fact factor. Ministers of external affairs, foreign secretary, embassies in different countries, diplomatic officers are the administrative factors involved in framing the foreign policy. Okay, students. Next time, again, we will continue from page number 67. Next time, in the next lecture, we will continue from page number 67 and we will discuss India's foreign policy. Hope so, students, you have understood till here. Thank you.